Hello everyone. Today I am coming to deliver my presentation. So my presentation topic is how to stay healthy in busy lifestyles. Many of us lead busy lives with schools and other responsibilities. Healthy but standing doesn't require horse of a health. Smart choices can make a big difference. First eat nutrition meals. Even if you are busy, try to avoid fast food and options like fruit, nuts or yogurt. Plan your meals in advance to save time and ensures you are eating food balanced. Second, stay active. Stay active. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Take short. Second, stay active. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Take short walk. Use the stairs instead of the electrons. To simple exercise at home. Just 50 and 20 minutes of movement daily can keep you engrossed. Third, get in enough sleep. Sleep is national for your body recover. Try to get 7-8 hours of rest, even if it means saying no to late night social media scrolling. Finally, manage stress. Stress can harm your healthy. So find ways to relax, like meditations, reading, or spending time with loved one. Deep breathing exercise can also help you stay calm and focused. In conclusion, staying healthy in a busy lifestyle is all about balance. Eat well more regularly, rest enough, and manage stress. Remember, taking care of your healthy always you to handle a busy life better. Thank you. If you anyone have questions, so please ask.